Successful means the achievement of desired visions and planned goals. Success can be of various types for different people. In order of priority, it may be relationship success, health success, financial success, and career success. To achieve any kind of success, a person should adopt the following habits. Number 1. Get up early. According to research, most successful people get up early. They may get up at 5 a.m. or even earlier. When you get up early, it eliminates the need to rush in the morning. You can then start your day on an optimistic note, and such positivity stays with you throughout the day. Early risers tend to be more productive. You will have more time to focus on important tasks, while the rest of the world is asleep. Number 2. Set goals. Setting goals helps you take control of your future. Setting strong goals boosts performance by motivating you to increase your effort. Goals gives you a direction and destination. They help guide you to where you ultimately want to be in life. Your goals gives you a clear focus on what you believe to be important in life. Number 3. Read a lot and read every day. According to research, the most successful people all tend to have one thing in common. They read. But successful people don't just read anything. They're highly selective about what they read. Let's take an example. Bill Gates, Microsoft CEO, has attested to reading 50 books a year and roughly 1 book a week. Those books include non-fiction dealing with public health, engineering, business, and science. So you should read more and more, and your purpose of reading should be to get educated over being entertained. Reading has many benefits, such as reading makes you smarter, increase creativity and imagination, improves memory, lowers stress level, and also increase desire towards achieving goals. Number 4. Time management. Money isn't the only important resource of wealthy people. Time is crucial too. Good time management allows you to accomplish more in a shorter period of time, which leads to more free time, which lets you take advantage of learning opportunities. Self-discipline is valuable when you practice good time management. Time management can provide a guide for putting your intentions into actions.